what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing something different. So usually I'm looking through my comments, try to get to all of you, but sometimes it's kind of hard. One that did stand out though was from this user or YouTube person. It's a very nice song. I like the ukulele approach. Out of curiosity, does YouTube allow creators to monetize copyrighted songs when you're sharing lessons? So first, thanks for that comment, and second, they do actually allow you to monetize copyrighted material. Basically, they consider that as a cover. So because you're playing the melody, playing the song, so they consider that as a cover, and you can start making revenue from that. Most times you're sharing the revenue with somebody that owns that, like a label or just whoever claims that. Hopefully this answered your question, and try to make some more videos of this one too.